Welcome to English in a Minute. We have already learned a few idioms relating to eyes. Here is another one for you.
See eye to eye.
Do you use this phrase when you look deep into someone's eyes?
Is the yoga class over already?
I left a little early.
Why?
The instructor and I didn't see eye to eye.
You had a fight with your yoga teacher?
Look, Jonathan, I practice yoga my own way.
The instructor asked you to leave, didn't she?
People who have similar opinions or ways of thinking see eye to eye. If you say you see eye to eye with someone, you agree with them. This expression has been used since ancient times. And that's English in a Minute.